In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog on Wix. If you've ever wanted to share your ideas or expertise with the world through a blog, Wix offers a straightforward way to get started. Let's dive in and set up your blog in just a few steps. First, head over to the Wix website. This is the central hub where all the magic happens, so getting comfortable navigating their site will set you up for success. Once you're there, it's time to log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create one, which is quick and easy. Look for the login button. Enter your credentials, and you're in. Now that you've logged in, it's time to open your project. If you have an existing website, you can simply select it to start working on it. If not, no worries. Go ahead and create a new site. This is the foundation of your blog, so think about the kind of content you want to share. Once you're in the Wix editor, you'll see various options to customize your site. Look for the Add Apps icon. Clicking on this will open up a world of features you can integrate into your site to enhance its capability. In the search bar, type Wix Blog. This app is specifically designed to make blogging easy on Wix, and it's filled with handy tools to help you manage your blog content. When you've found the Wix Blog app, click Add to Site. At this point, you're officially transforming your site into a blog. With the Wix Blog added, you're all set to start creating blog posts. Navigate to your blog section and click on Create New Post. Here is where you can let your creativity shine, so write content that reflects your voice and aligns with your blog's theme. The editor is user-friendly, making it easy to insert text, add media, and format your posts to look exactly how you want. Design is equally important, so take some time to customize your blog's design. Wix provides numerous templates and customization options to ensure your blog not only reads well, but looks appealing too. Adjust your layout, tweak the colors, and choose fonts that best represent you and your brand. Lastly, once you're satisfied with your blog setup and you're happy with the design, don't forget the final step. Publish your site. Locate the Publish button in the top right corner of the editor and click it. This step makes your blog go live and accessible to the public. And that's it. You've created your blog on Wix in just a few minutes. Whether you're sharing recipes, travel stories, or business insights, you now have a platform to express yourself and engage with readers. Keep writing, keep posting, and enjoy your blogging journey.